Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about numbers in tens and ones place. Second one is counting backward. Third one is comparison of numbers. Fourth one is ordering numbers. First, I expressing the numbers in tens and ones. Okay. Let us now see how we can get numbers more than 10 using the group of beats. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is one group of the beads. In this, here 10 beads is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 beads is there. And this side, one bead is there. So, 10 beads is here, 1 beads is here. So, we can write here T O. 10 we will write here. 0 is in the place of ones and 1 is in the place of 10. This is the tens place. This is the ones place. Now I will take second example. 23. 23 is writing here tens place and ones place. 3 is in the ones place. 3 is in the ones place and 2 is in the tens place. We can write this. This will become 23. So like this, the numbers in writing this tens place and ones place, it will helps to how it will helps addition of two digits, so that we should learn numbers in tens place and ones place. I hope this is understanding you. Then second one is counting backward. Already you know 0 to 10 you can write here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We will count easily 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same like this. We will write in backward counting. 10 to 0. See here 0, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Like this. You should count fastly. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And backward counting 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Like this. You will practice this. From the help of the backward counting, you can easily find out after numbers, before numbers and between numbers. And third one is comparison of numbers. In the comparison of numbers, we will get three symbols. This one, and this one. This symbol means smaller than. Smaller than. This symbol means greater than. Greater than symbol. Then this one is equal to. Equal to. Here I will take one example of crocodile to expressing the comparison of numbers. So here is a one crocodile is there. Here one crocodile is there. One crocodile is there. Crocodile becomes very hungry, always likes to eat things. That one more in numbers. Here more than one fishes is there. Here more than fishes is there. Here only two fish is there. Here the crocodile is moving through this side because here is more than two numbers of fishes is there. So like this, here count how many fishes is there here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fishes is there. Here only 2 fishes is there. So 4 is greater than 2. We will write here the symbol of greater than symbol. Which symbol we can use here? Greater than symbol, like this. The crocodile mouth is open here, so that which side is open mouth is there, that side we will write greater number, means bigger number. Here we will write smaller numbers like 2. So that we can write here 4 is greater than 2. See here children, count the objects and fill in the circles using the correct sign. Okay. Here one example is there. 4 ice cream is there. Here 2 ice cream is there. So 4 is right here. 2 is written here. 4 is greater than 2. Here we can use the symbol of greater than symbol. Here different kinds of the different colors of the flowers is there. You can count here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flower. This side also 4 flower. So both side is equal numbers. So we can use the symbol is equal symbol. Equal to symbol we can use here. Here also 4 cars is there. Here also 4 cars is there. You can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So both side is equal number. So you can use the symbol of equal to symbol. Here also 3 apples is there. Here also 3 apples is there. So we can use the symbol equal to. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 9 balls is there. So we can write here 9 number. This side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seven numbers of balls is there. You can write here 7. 9 is bigger than 7. So we can use symbol. Which symbol you can write here? Greater than symbol. Yes, very good. 9 is greater than 7. Very good. Let's move seventh one, sorry. Seventh one. Here, how many butterflies is there here? You can write, you can count now. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 butterflies there. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 butterflies there. So 8 is smaller number and 9 is greater number. So we can use here the symbol is smaller than symbol. Smaller than symbol. 8 is smaller than 9. Then here one rabbit is there. You can write here only one number. Here 2 rabbits is there. You can write here 2 number. 1 is smaller than 2. 1 is smaller number, 2 is greater number. So that we can use the symbol is here. Which symbol you can write here? Smaller than symbol. So 1 is smaller than 2. Here 3 fishes is there. You can write here 3 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 fishes is there. You can write here 5 number. So here we can use the symbol smaller than symbol. 3 is the smaller number, 5 is the bigger number. So 3 is smaller than 5. Then fourth one is ordering numbers. Ordering numbers. Here 2 types of ordering numbers is there. One is ascending order and descending order. First one is ascending order. Second one is descending order. Descending order. Ascending order means smaller number to bigger number. Descending order means bigger number to smaller number. First we will discuss about ascending order. What is the exact definition of the ascending order means? When the numbers are arranged from the smallest number to the biggest number is called the ascending order. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. Smaller number to the bigger number. Here we can arrange the numbers from smaller number to bigger number. So it is called as the ascending order. Let's start second one, descending order. Descending order means the numbers are arranged from the bigger number to the smaller number. Like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like this. When the numbers are arranged from the biggest to the smallest, it is called as the descending order. Here some steps is there. First, second, third, fourth. 4 steps is there. Here see, one boy is climbing on the upward direction. One step, 2 step and 3 step. It is called as the ascending order. That boy is standing here. Just imagine one boy is standing here. He is coming towards the downward. Like this. 4, 3, 2, 1. This one is called as the descending order. I hope all of you are understanding my class. So, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you to all. Thank you.